Hey guys, so it's me, Laker2723. Today I am playing FIFA 14. If you haven't played this game or don't use it anymore, it's the only soccer game I have. So let's get into this. I'm spamming my controller. So yeah, if you could just do me a favor and like and subscribe, it won't be just a huge thing for me because I'm trying to get 1K. Yeah, right. So I'm gonna go to wait, not kickoff. Actually kickoff, because yeah. No, it couldn't be home. And there's DC United. Galaxy. Montreal Impact. Earthquakes. San Jose Earthquakes. San Jose. Yes, I am here. So it's gonna load, so wait up a sec. Sir, if it's super bright. Do we have to listen to this? Yeah, let me just turn it down. Let's not listen to that. I'll kind of help us. So here we go. I am the Redbulls. I'm the white team. Oh, geez. You got some skills. Ooh. Oh, yes. No. Pass. Nice one. Ooh. Come on. Get it. Ooh, nice one. Okay. Oh, no. Oh, no, no, no. Perfect. Lining it up. Nope. There we go. What is it? Oof. Offsides. Oof. Jeez. That was a lot of flashy. But I have the ball, so you know. Oh, no, 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 no. No. Yes. Yes. Yes, thanks for the miss. Oh, wait, they had the ball. Didn't notice. Oh, ding, Taco Bell. Oh, no. Yes, goalie. Yes, goalie. No. That doesn't make sense. So that's kind of long. It's gonna be like a 12-minute video, so sorry. Ooh, Jumps up. Man, that was a bad one. Oh, no. No. Yeah. No, buddy. No. Yeah, sure. Yes, sir. Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait a second. Oh, Taco Bell? Oh, that was the goalie's fault. What? What the heck? Hey, can't do that. That got touched. Ref, I do not agree with you. You are bad, ref. You're a bad ref. Oops. Wait. Yes. No. No, gosh, please. Okay, I guess so. Oh, yee. That's us. Sorry, I said that song in the game. How are you so good? I tried to tackle while standing because I don't want to get a card. Any card, actually. Oh, whoa. This is actually smooth gameplay coming up. Yes! Let's go! What was on the ground? He's okay? He's okay. Shee. Boom, boom, bada, bam. Boom. Yeah, I'm just making sounds with my mouth because, yeah, why not? I don't know how to edit memes in because I have CapCut as my editor. You'll see at the end of the video because it shows CapCut at the end. So don't worry. He just gets it. It's the end of the first half. I'll see you in the second. And now let me just hit that button. Oh, Chloe had an H. Check out this goal. Oh wait, that was a save. Oh, I didn't touch it. Boom. That's the end. Alright, guys. Let's end this second. It's tied up. San Jose. Oh, yup. That's it. Feel it. No. That was a good shot, though. Good save, goalie. I'm playing against the CPU, by the way, because the servers are down, I guess. Ooh. Oh, yo! Sick shot! What a hit, son. Score with a dipping volley. Oh, I did not know that. Mom, I scored with a dipping volley. And don't say my name because I'm going to put this on YouTube. But, oh my God. That went close to the post. Close to the post. It went right in. Yo, there's no way that's going to be in. What? That was sick. I got an achievement too, not a trophy because I'm not on PlayStation. I don't like PlayStation. Well, I do like PlayStation. They have good consoles and they're a beast, but Xbox, they've got more cool games. And I've had it for a long time. I have 360 games, but not a console. You see, because I have an Xbox. Oh! Yup! Oh, I got a sub. A subbing. I'll just wait. Never mind, let's just get it. Boom! Oh no! No! Yeah, kick the ball. This looks good. Oh wait, that's our side. Forgot. Yes. Looks like they're doing something. Looks like they're like dancing back and forth, back and forth. Boom. So this is like my third video. Yeah, I have the updated video of my first video. Oh, trip! Oh wait, there's no tripping. This isn't hockey. Forgot. It's in NHL, the NHL games from EA Sports. It's the soccers. Oh yes, you brought it out. It's my hand now. I'm gonna move them up. Oh no. Oh, shoots that. Oh wait, what? No! YOLO. See you later. Bye. Let's get together. Bang! Taco Bell. Oh, yo. Like, actually, wait. Silence. Oh! Oh, no. Oh! Oh, I missed. I don't want in. Ding! Or if I now. Perfect pass. Ooh, no. Boom it! Yes! Let's go 3-1. Ooh, whoa! Oh. He just tore him down. What a goal, man. What a shot. What a hit into the net. Yeah, this video is kind of getting long, and I'm gonna end it soon, hopefully, because it's like each period 6 minutes, so like that's 12. Please, no, gosh, please, no. Oh! Don't tell me to show your friends. What? Hopefully nobody. I'll just edit out in case it shows a friend's online. may not during this recording. So, yeah. Ooh! Please? No? Oh, we got it out! Oh! Ooh! Off? And offsides. Boing! Oh, 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 oh. That's it! Alright, everybody. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next video. Bye. Oops.